Hey, thank you for purchasing Social Jacker. You are awesome. Now, after we got some initial feedback on Social Jacker, a lot of our customers told us that they wanted a number of features, and we decided to go back into our labs and build those. So we built some amazing, powerful features that actually help you get 10 times more results using the same Social Jacker software. And with the Pro version, you will be able to do a lot more and get a lot more results. My partner Dan will show you exactly what is inside Social Jacker Pro. And after that, you can click the button below and upgrade your copy to Social Jacker Pro. All right, so over to you, Dan.
Hi there, it's Dan Green again, and I'm going to talk you through the Pro version of Social Jacker. Now, the first thing to point out is with the Pro version, you get unlimited campaigns. So with the standard basic version of Social Jacker, you can create up to 50 campaigns, and that's fine for most people. But, you know, the whole idea with Social Jacker is that you can create unlimited amounts of mailing lists in unlimited niches. And, you know, it's really easy to create all these lists. The Pro version lets you do that because you've got unlimited campaigns. Okay, so the next feature is common questions. Now we can actually see what the most common questions people are asking when they interact with your app. So if I dive into this and click this here, we can see the most common questions entered by users. And this is for a recruitment campaign here. So we've got lots of different questions about recruiting. So if you dive into each of these different things here, and we can see exactly what our visitors are asking when they interact with our app. That lets us create great responses for the answer bot. Next, we've got the Requests tab, and this allows you to let your visitors leave you messages via your app, and then you can reply to them at any time. So you can see here that in my iPhone campaign here, I've got a message from a visitor saying when will the prizes be given out. I've got his email address there, and then I can easily email him back at any time to give him answers. Now, in the Videos tab, the Pro version of Social Jacker allows you to embed videos anywhere you want in your app really easily. Let me show you how this works. So I've just got here an example I've thrown up where I'm going to have Anchor pop up and play a video message. So if we refresh here, this is on Anchor's marketing site. You can see Social Jacker pops up and starts auto-playing a YouTube video. And you can deploy these videos anywhere you want. So for example, let's refresh the page here. And you can see I've got the video playing in the header part of the app. Or I could put the video in any of my replies. I could put the video anywhere I want. Any video, anywhere I want in the app, really easily. Next, we've included full stats tracking on your dashboard for Pro users. You can see here I haven't got very many because this is just a demo account I've set to demonstrate the Pro version for you. But anyway, you can see how it works. Get total measurements and the opt-in measurements for today as well. Now, another thing for Pro users are export filters. Normally, you can only export all of your leads for a campaign or none at all. Pro version users, you can choose to export by gender, male or female, different age ranges, or any combination of the above. Again, this is just super powerful stuff. It lets you really target your email marketing, creating super highly targeted lists for any offer you want. Now, this feature I'm really excited about for Pro version users. Pro version users can do campaign split testing. This allows you to group different campaigns. So I'm going to group together Apple Gym Talk, and I'm going to call it example campaign, example group, create the group. Then you get one piece of code where you can deploy multiple campaigns on the same page. And by deploying them on the same page, you can easily test out different things like headlines, style, position. You can really tweak and optimize your campaigns to get incredible results. Campaign split testing, in my view, is probably worth the price of the Pro version upgrade by itself. Now, if we jump back over onto Anchor's demo site here, I am going to demonstrate that with the Pro version, you can include like and share buttons anywhere you want in your Social Jacker app too. So not only are you building a list, you can like any URL or share any URL from within Social Jacker. Now, you may have noticed when I'm doing these examples that if I refresh the page, this is automatically popping up by itself. Now, that's another Pro version features. You can set an auto pop-up in seconds and have your Social Jacker app load and then pop up by itself to grab user attention. Okay, so I've just jumped over to the Mac Rumors site to show you something else. Let's refresh the page. you'll just see auto pop-up will happen, and it plays a sound. With the Pro version, you can choose a sound to play when this pop-up event happens. And if we go to have a look at the campaign here, you can choose this in the styles section. So here you can see you can choose a sound to play, and you can have either our default sound or you can upload your own. So sound will play when this pop-up event happens. Also, note that here you can choose the screen to get darker when this pop-up event happens. So let's refresh this. Then refresh again, wait for the pop-up, and look how engaging that is. Look how much of a difference that makes. This really grabs your visitor's attention, combining the pop-up and the grey screen. And finally, with the Pro version, you get full autoresponder integration. Now, with the basic version of Souljacker, you can, of course, export your leads at any time and upload them to your autoresponder. With full autoresponder integration in the Pro version, you don't need to do that. Your leads automatically go to whichever autoresponder you want. We've got all the major ones provided for here. It happens in real time as you get your leads. That rounds things up. Thank you very much for your time. I tried to get through all those features as quickly as I could for you because, you know, there's a lot of them. But yeah, hopefully you can see that Souljacker Pro just takes things to that whole next level. Gives you way more stats, gives you way more optimization options, gives you way more ways of interacting with your visitors. Souljacker Pro is all about putting the power in your hands to grow your leads the way you want them, as fast as possible, with no work. So click the buy button below to upgrade to Souljacker Pro now.